So today is 25 of May of the year 2023. It's 10:52 a.m. and today in regards to politics I will talk about the digital legislation system, the one which you, as every other country in the world, should already have in place. Give me a second. So current cash here is, I will get interrupted always. So I was saying, excuse me, well that we are in some, not in the, but in some kind of supposedly digital era, whatever the shit. Not digital technology. Everyone say or says, everyone says we are at the peak of whatever the shit. We're not at the peak of nothing, but we should try a little bit to be right there, at the peak of technology, whatever. There's no peak, never. But we consider ourselves developed in regards to technology, whatever. Where and well, advantages of this type of system, of this kind of system, would be, well, let me think, which were them? Fuck it, let me be direct. Let's suppose you would be how it's called, a senator, whatever. You will get up at, if this kind of system would be in place, you would get up at 9 a.m., at 5 a.m., at 3 a.m. You could start already working from your home, open your fucking computer, and well, you will have, of course, a digital system where to work in regards to laws and legislation. And what to say? First of all, I cannot concentrate too much in English. Yet, first of all, give me a second. First of all, you could actually be working all the fucking time, basically. 8 hours a day, 9, 15, 17, 21. And I was saying, excuse me, well, this could multiply the work of, well, when you are a citizen, you don't get nobody, no senator to actually work. They get united, like reunited, or I don't. They make meetings. Excuse me, I'm being interrupted again. They make meetings like once a month, and well, that's like all the work you see they have done. Like nobody has been actually working on developing new ideas, nor whatever the shit. Like that's why we and you are like we are. In regards to current status of the world, whatever, especially politically talking, politically speaking. Yet, well, let's say you get up at 9 a.m. Well, not only this, I would have described what a normal day of work would be, if such kind of system would be on place. Yet, not only what I have said, that work could be multiplied, but that people could actually, the people, let me say, could actually follow the work that senators do. Like you would have a public, digital, published on internet platform where everyone could see what the senator was writing today, perhaps at 5 a.m. publishing. Like he could, you could do everything basically in regards to this, everything digitally. In regards to this kind of system, you could you could have a pool of ideas, of political ideas, published on such platform, how to say it, by the people, not by senators. You could have also, of course, political projects or whatever published by senators. But yet you could, for example, vote one article while amend one one law, one political project, one chapter. I do not know exactly how this is called in English. How they are called in English. Each one of these sections. Yet um, you could write them individually. Each one of these two, three, five, four, five sections. Write about them individually. Vote them individually. Um, I mean, let's say you get up at 5 a.m., you open your computer, you see some project, some actual citizen has published on such platform to be reviewed by you senators. You just read it, it's kind of good, you just now need to do, need to take it basically. The idea is just an idea, kind of like some text, not necessarily divided or organized, or I do not have the exact word, um, but divided by sections, by articles, whatever. Not divided as such, as in such type, as in whatever. So you start working on it, thinking about it, and you start trying to delineate at some point a political, basically a law, how we know them from a raw text. Excuse me, I'm being interrupted again. So, thing here should be that, excuse me, that it was better expressed in Spanish. I mean, I do not have the thought nor the expression or the thought level in English as I do have in Spanish. Yet, well, you would have a 200 senators perhaps doing this at the same time, all day, every day, all night. They would be producing ideas, seeing ideas. People has um, reviewing ideas. People have citizens. Excuse me. Reviewing ideas. Citizens want citizens from all parts of the country, whatever, would have sent to such platform. And well, let's say you have a law right in here, and you propose a modification to this article, not to this one, not to this one, and then you go to another page, then you propose a modification to this one. You have like 10 articles there. You just propose some wording change on this article. You vote this article for good, for like approved. You vote, how to say it, you vote the whole lot to as approved or not. You disapprove some other articles or some other laws. Um, you load files. You load, as I'm doing, um, some recording, video recording, some audios. You can call each other as senators through such. You can communicate not only with other senators or with other politicians, but also with citizens in general, all citizens in general. Um, as I have said, citizens could propose could send ideas to such platform, and finally, well, they could review the work, they could follow the work you as a senator, you as senators would be doing. Not like, but besides, I mean, they could get to choose what they would want to see. It's not like if you would record a Congress session where you just get one choice. You get no, you get only one. Let me say choice to see who you wanna hear talking or who not. Um, whom you want or whom you want to hear talking or who bar whom not. Um, Yet, I mean, you could choose from 200 different senators to follow the work, for example, in regards to them, to follow their individual, specific, particular progress on such platform, particular work on such platform. And while you go getting the idea, it will be like this with with this kind of platform, you could build um, political build laws and political ideas much faster than excuse me, I mean interrupt again. Um, you could build ideas, political ideas or laws much faster than as of right now, than as with on-site presidential presidential how to say it legal legal generation, legislative, wherever you get the idea. So the thing is, it will be as it will be digital, something digital data mining. I mean, it will be a large generation digital mining. Something I should really think about how to say this in English. Yeah. Well, I hope you go getting the idea. I mean, I'm very far from recording a perfect video here. But it's about the fucking idea. It's not too much about me. So, give me a second. So, that's pretty much it. I hope you like the idea. You should fucking like the idea. It has not been perfectly presented. It has not been perfectly presented, whatever. Yet, good, well developed. It's a great. I'm being interrupted again. It's just a great idea. Excuse me. So this is the end of the video. I mean, I would have given a better ending, but I mean, that's it. So thank you. Have a good day. Hope you have enjoyed it, or something like it.